Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to collaborate on Instagram Edits app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will be needing to go to Edits, and after that, I'm just going to close this project and we can simply go to new project, and all you can see is that you will be able to start having your project and work on it. That means there isn't some direct way to start collaborating with a teammate or having a working space inside uh, Instagram Edits app. Otherwise, there is another option which is like the inspiration tab. So if we go to the bottom tools for or the bottom menu of edits app, we will find that there is this insights uh, tab, there is projects, and there is inspiration. From here, it is kind of collaboration since you are getting inspiration from other sources, which are just some trending reels that are going on into Instagram. So from here, you can see like the number of views of these reels, for example, 1 million, and you can see 100K, etc. And they are also using trending audio. You can just click on use audio, and from here, you will be able to start using the same audio that they are using, and you can also start having some kind of ideas, and then you can click on add. And after that, you can go to your idea place or idea. From here, you can go to save and you will find the ideas that you have saved from these inspiration. Now, you can simply click on use audio, go to gallery, and from here, you can start adding items on top of this audio, and this will be automatically created, and then you can export your video. So thank you for watching and see you next time.